In this video, you'll learn how to ask follow-up questions in Kimi AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to effectively interact with the AI and enhance your experience. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface, which includes options for starting a new chat. This is where you will initiate your interaction with the AI. After reaching the Kimi AI homepage, locate the button or link that allows you to start a new chat. This option is typically prominently displayed on the screen. Clicking this will take you into the chat interface where you can input your queries and follow-up questions. Next, you will want to prepare a paragraph of text to use as a basis for your follow-up questions. You can obtain this text from a source such as Lorem Ipsum. Navigate to the Lorem Ipsum website and select a paragraph that interests you. Once you find the desired text, highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. This can usually be done by right-clicking and selecting copy from the context menu. Once you have copied the paragraph, return to the Kimi AI chat interface. Click into the text input area where you can type your message. To paste the paragraph you copied earlier, right-click in the input area and select paste from the menu. You should see the text appear in the input box, ready for you to send to the AI. After pasting the paragraph, press the Enter key on your keyboard to submit your input. The AI will begin processing your request, and you may see a loading indicator or a brief delay as it generates a response. This step is crucial as it sets the context for your follow-up questions. Once the AI has generated its response, based on the information provided, type your follow-up questions based on the same text input area. For example, you might ask for clarification or additional details about a specific point in the generated response. After typing your follow-up question, press Enter again to submit it. The AI will once more process this request and generate a response based on your new input, depending on the complexity of your question. This may take a moment. If you wish to ask further questions, repeat the previous steps as necessary. Continue to engage with the AI by typing your inquiries and pressing Enter to receive additional information. Each response can lead to deeper insights, making your interaction more productive. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.